Tripureshwari temple at Udaipur in the state of Tripura is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths in India, which has a traditional, religious and historical significance for the people of the state. Very similar and traditional temple is situated at the Atharamura Hills under Mungyakami block of Tiliamura subdivision of Khwai district. From the beginning, worship of idol was done on stones called Koshti Pathar, but now permanent idols are worshipped there. For almost 300 years, along with worship of goddess, a huge fair is also organized on the auspicious festival of Diwali. However, the most interesting thing is that besides the puja of goddess and great sacrifice offered to Ma, Yagya is held about 25 feet above of the well-decorated tong house made of bamboo canes. A holy fire is organized and yajna is performed with 50 monks. During this corona pandemic, everything will be organized keeping in mind the government's guidelines and maintaining strict social distancing protocols. In this remote village of Tiliamura subdivision at the foot of Atharamura Hills, this Diwali festival creates a bond of friendship for the people of the tribal and ethnic section. Visitors from all over the state flock to the festival premises. This puja of Kali goddess is held in temple through various social and religious ceremonies. It is learned that this Diwali festival will be held under the supervision of Shubhrai Swalang Society under Shubhrai Swalang Mission. This year, the Diwali festival will be in compliance with all government protocols. Also, no fair will be organized this year. Although devotees coming from far places will be allowed to offer animal sacrifices to goddess Kali. As per the guidelines of Apex Code, there will be sacrificial rituals in the temple. This time, buffalo sacrifice will be done on behalf of the temple. Bureau Report, Halabol.